This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying coverage maps and tower locations. This is the foundation. Once done, check your device supports the carrier's bands and 4G/LTE or 5G where available. Make sure you have a locked or unlocked SIM and a multi-band hotspot as backup. Prepare reliable power, a 12V battery or portable solar and a high-capacity power bank. Gather cables, an external antenna mount, and a vehicle or tripod to begin testing signal positions immediately. You now focus on improving reception. Mount a directional antenna and aim it toward the nearest identified tower using azimuth bearing. Small adjustments matter. Once mounted, connect a certified cellular signal booster and ground it for safety. Confirm gain limits to avoid oscillation. Make sure to test at different heights, ground, vehicle roof, and a 3 to 6 meter mast while recording dBm and SNR values. If one carrier fails, swap SIMs quickly to compare real-world throughput and latency. You finish by locking the device to the best performing band or applying a band priority profile on your hotspot, then run speed and latency tests to validate usability. Once satisfied, secure mounts and protect your power source. Store scanned maps and an offline messaging fallback. If problems arise, troubleshoot. Relocate 100 to 500 meters and re-aim the antenna, switch SIMs, or move to a rooftop or higher mast. These steps usually reveal marginal signal. If not, consider satellite or...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.